Isham alleged dumped Davido and moved out in October. Any human that says they are fighting for God is undergraded and insulting him, says Two-Face. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for always stopping by. To my new subscriber, you're highly welcome, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the bell on in case of any time you just upload any video, any update, you will be the first person to notify. And please don't forget to like, share, and also leave your comment in the comment section down below. God bless you guys as you do. Yes, my wonderful people, I don't see come back again with another gist, with another trendy gist, and this video is 2 in 1, and the video will not be too long. Some days ago, where Pastor Suleiman video, where Pastor Suleiman tok say im dey pray to God make COVID-19 not finish, and he bought im third private jet during the lockdown last year. A lot of people not digest with that words wey Pastor Suleiman talk, and also wey Pastor Suleiman still talk say speaking in tongue na printing machine, my people. A lot of people not digest with that words at all. 2 days ago, Two-Face Baba, that one come out. As it come out, e come talk say this religion arrogance, and he himself come explain that how can a pastor come out come talk something like that, whether the congregation no know say the pastor is referring to them. That was 2 days ago wey make that short video. I go even put the video here so that make una for understand wetin I dey talk about. And today now, he himself come still come out, because since then now it's like he just dey come out whether in dey enlighten people about this religion, because for that Naija, my people, religion is something that a lot of all this our so-called pastors, they don brainwash a lot of people. Many of them don't even know how to save for the rainy days. Wetin they just know to sow seed here and there. And Two-Face Baba na today e come still come out again, where my people, make we read wetin he himself talk. And he said, for me, religion is just supposed to be immoral gene. Anything else na scam. Allow me to evaluate before you exhibit any religion's arrogance. First off, God is too much. So any human that claim they are fighting for God or Ijigbo is undergrading and insulting God. My God has packaged everything already. E come hard brain join. My God don package everything for every of us, including brain. Respect to every religion, but you cannot tell me nothing na immoral gene and suppose be. My God no need nobody help. E too much. Nothing else na scam. My God has equipped us with everything. It's only on us to protect it and use it, including our brain. Anything else is politics and exploitation. Na be wetin Two Baba talk. My people, wetin himself talk according to the first video wey he first did, that was 2 days ago, wey he said that everybody go find im way to heaven. That one na true, because since wey Suleiman talk that kind thing, it's like the something wey disturb Two-Face Baba, because since then wey that video just trend, na Two Baba come dey talk many things, and like wetin he sef just talk, and the something make sense. We all know that for that Naija, the way a lot of so-called pastors dey use Bible, this Christianity of something, they are just using it on their own way, their own benefit way for real. Where my wonderful people, may we still go back to another gist. My people, now remember say some days ago now wey Davido and the new girlfriend use a trend for social media, no be small thing. One blogger come out come write say Ishoma and Davido they no dey again. Say since last year 2020 October, Davido and Ishoma dey leave body, but I don't really know whether the something the gist wey e just bring come market, whether the gist na real or na just to cover up with just to cover Ishoma up, but I don't really know. According to the blogger, he said that Davido just dey do wetin he just dey do na just to pepper Ishoma. Well, my people, I don't think so that even say maybe they really leave body, maybe they no dey together. If Davido dey date any girl now, I no feel say maybe he just dey do am to pepper Ishoma, because Ishoma herself, first of all, e suppose to know say Davido na celebrity which women dey already dey attach with him. And secondly, before she herself, before she even born give Davido, you don already know say Davido don already get two babies mama. My people, understand? I no believe say Ishoma e leave Davido for real, because that ring wey Davido take propose to Ishoma, the ring still dey Ishoma hands. All till now e still dey with Ishoma. If Ishoma really leave Davido, at least e suppose to return the ring back to Davido, and the ring still dey with am. For me, my people, the blogger just write something just to cover up with Ishoma, so that na because since day wey the something just dey, we all know that Ishoma na still human being, my people, no matter what. That might say she just pre ten d not to see wetin dey go on. At least she go still feel am. She must surely feel it, because na human being, na blood na dey run for her body, no be water, my people. No matter wetin haba, una know the stress wey the girl dey pass through since wey all this yamayama just dey social media, wey dey just showcase that video for internet. Haba, even Ada say na she even leave the Davido, my people. The something dey still dey pepper am, because e no easy like that. That might say their friendship never even reach 5 years or 10 years. At least man wey you get charge for, no matter what, you still feel for the man. The blogger just come out come write wetin write according to the blogger, my people, because me I no believe say Ishoma don leave Davido. Ishoma still dey stay with Davido, and Davido, that one himself na just a womanizer, and Davido, that one never even ready to even settle down with any woman at all. For real, my people, if you say me we look at it, Davido na young guy, and he's not even up to 40 years old, and he himself, he wan enjoy life to e fullness. Just that all the women wey still born for Davido, all those one, my people, if you say me we look at it, all those 4 babies mama, na they even force theirself to Davido. For real, my people, if you say me we check, me we look into this matter, na all those Davido babies mama, na they force theirself into Davido's life. No be say Davido just okay, he just toast them, or if e be say Davido toast them, but normal base say he himself na celebrity, but na many all those women, na they even force theirself into Davido's life. May we say the truth, my people, for real. Where according to the blogger, he said Ishoma dump Davido. Where me I don't know whether the gist na real or not be real. For me, even say she dumped Davido or Davido na him dump am, no how, the something still dey pepper Ishoma for body for real. My people, make we say the truth, e no easy. Na blood na she dey use. She no dey use water. She no dey use water for her vein. Na blood na she dey use. Well, my wonderful people, let me leave you guys for here. What do you think? Leave your comment in the comment section down below, and don't forget to drop your comment on the comment section down below. God bless you guys, and remain blessed. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.